bring it around town. Just bring it. Why'd you stop doing it? Bring it around town. All right, so what are we doing today?
We are going to do
coffee.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what we're going to do today? We're going to do an apartment tour.
What?
Yes. So we're going to take all of you guys along for the ride so you guys can see our beautiful home. Right?
It's still a mess. We gotta clean up a little bit.
Well, duh. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 6.
Oh.
Yes, I got it right today.
Cheers. So are you guys ready for our long-awaited apartment tour? I'm just kidding. No one's probably waiting for this.
Yeah, they're like, ugh. Alright everybody, so this is my humble home. My humble room. Yes. This is
your
my
room?
tree. Oh, well, our room, of course. You do live here too. Ah. Yeah, we got a skinny, nice little tree with nice little blue ornaments.
It's just very simple in here. I finally got the tree of my dreams in our bedroom for the first year ever.
Beautiful bed. Beautiful comforter. White with the red.
And this one, this little pillow is to tie in the blue ornaments over there because these pillows were meant to go on the couch, but it just didn't work out that way with the stuff that I bought. Just went with red and blue and gold in here. And I think it looks so cute. Looks very unique.
Yes. Next, we have a beautiful arrangement of the Wi-Fi, our wedding photo, and perfumes.
Wow.
And if that didn't smell good enough, we're gonna light this candle we have right here. Sweater weather. And this is from last year, guys. We haven't burned this one. We're gonna go Bath and Body Works shopping in 2 days. 1 day.
This is all very simple. I mean, we didn't really do much here. I feel like this table isn't tall enough for this space, but we're just working with what we got.
I meant to take these cables out so it looks like we have a cleaner look here.
We live in an apartment. There's nothing we can do about that.
Indeed.
All right, where are you taking us next?
Next, look at this. Our mini tree in our hallway.
Next time I go to Sam's, hopefully I will remember to get or print out some pictures to go in those.
Yes. Oh, we have Oliver the bird.
Yes.
My wife named him, not me. We have a very nice stocking here, as you can see. This is me because my name is Jorge. This is for Kaido. This is for Peanut. And this is for Cat. Very nice. We have beautiful garland coming around. Coming all around, stretching all into the kitchen area.
Beautiful.
Mary. And we have this candle here.
From fall.
From fall, pumpkin apple, our last fall candle, I think.
Yes. I'm not 100% happy with this yet.
No?
No, but it's fine for now.
This is what it needs.
I love the charger and the camera cover and this
It's because I thought we were done.
flashlight.
I'm sorry.
This set of 3 candles I've had for 5 years and I never unwrapped them and I feel like that preserved the life of them. And they still look cute.
We have our sitting area, our sofas. This is where we sit.
No way.
Yes, and we watch TV from here. We have a nice little setup right here. Another empty photo frame, which will hopefully have a photo in. And another couch. Yes, and then, oh look, this centerpiece right here. Very nice. I think the pink leaves bring out the pink book here. And then the green pine bring out the green. The black and gold vase bring out the gold flecks on this leaves. And the black and gold book on the bottom. Very, very nice. We have this candle here with this candle holder. This is another one that we had from last year, and it is Fireside for Bath and Body Works.
It's already making the room smell really good and fresh.
For real? You smell it?
Yeah, I smell it.
I can't wait till that one finishes burning. Let me bring you to this area.
Entertainment center?
Is this light up?
I don't think so.
We have another photo frame next to the snow globe. This is a very beautiful snow globe. You guys have seen it already, I'm sure. Very nice. Can you see it? Very nice. Okay, and we have a little thing that says dearly blessed, because we're blessed to dearly, on top of another photo album. So we have beautiful lit houses here.
One ended up being a little different than the others, but that's okay.
Okay. And then we have a couple Christmas trees over here. Very nice, very nice. We have a little section right here for just wrapping yourself up. If you want to wrap yourself up in a blanket, that's fine. That will be okay. And if you want to wrap yourself as a present this year, you can do that too. Oh, and my favorite part, the deers. Hello, little deer and big deer llamas. Llama deers. And the Christmas tree. Wow. Of course, you guys have seen the Christmas tree multiple times. Those are demo presents.
Yeah, they're kind of fake, you guys.
They're fake.
But they look cute.
That completes today's apartment tour. Please stay tuned till the next one. This was Vlogmas day number 6, and tomorrow will be Vlogmas day number 7. Tune in, like and subscribe. Peace.
Christmas time.